Hello student, today we are going to learn an important topics, centrifugal casting. First, what is centrifugal casting? In this method, in centrifugal casting, a metallic mold cavity is caused to rotate at a high speed, nearly 600 to 3000 RPM during pouring of molten metal into mold cavity. Next, due to the centrifugal force, the molten metal is directed outward from center towards the inside surface of the mold with considerable pressure. Okay. As a result of this, a uniform thickness of metal is deposited all along the inside surface of the mold cavity. When or where it is solidifies and the impurities being lighter, being less weight, remain near to the axis of rotation. Okay. So, a casting process in which molten metal is poured and allowed to solidify while the mold is revolving is called centrifugal process. When mold is revolving, the casting produced under this centrifugal force are called centrifugal casting. Okay. Now, types of centrifugal casting. Centrifugal casting is of three types. Number one, two centrifugal casting. Number two, semi-centrifugal casting. Number three, centrifuging casting. Okay. Now, what is two centrifugal casting? This is the figure of a centrifugal casting mechanism. This is the flux or molding box. This is the sand lining. This is sand lining. This is the casting. This is the casting. these two are top roller, these two are bottom roller. In this path, molten metal is enter in the mold cavity. This is the pouring basin. To centrifugal casting, this process is specially employed for casting of symmetrical shape. Okay. In this process, the mold is made of metal. The mold is made of metal. This is the mold. Mold means cavity, mold cavity. This is the mold cavity. This is the flux, means molding box. This is made of metal and lining with sand lining, which is refractory material, maybe sand. The molten metal is poured by ladle into the mold cavity of rapidly rotating mold. This mold is rotate rapidly. The centrifugal force direct the fluid metal to the inner surface. This is the inner surface of the mold with considerable pressure, and where it is solidification occurs, forming hollow casting. The outside of mold is covered. Outside of the mold is covered with water for quick cooling of the molten metal. Okay. Now, what is the application of two centrifugal casting? Number one, Gay cast iron sanitary pipe. Number two, gun barrel of the gun. Number three, hollow propeller shaft. Number four, bushes and slips. Okay. Now, what is semi-centrifugal casting? This is the figure of semi-centrifugal casting mechanism. This is the molding box. This is the vertical axis which rotate. This is the casting this is the casting. Here two casting means this is the pulley. This is one pulley, casting of a pulley. This is another casting of a pulley. If pulley is hollow, this is the half section, half or boss, then we insert a core. This is the core. This is molding box, and this is the casting. This is casting. This is casting. This is vertical axis. This is core. Molten metal is pouring in this. This is the sprue. This is sprue. This is the sprue. This is sprue. In this process is employed for making large size casting which are symmetrical about their own axis. This is axis. In this process, the mold is rotated, mold rotated about its vertical axis in a properly balanced state, and the molten metal is poured into a central sprue. This is the sprue, common sprue, from where it enters the hub. From this sprue, it enters the hub. Hub means this is the pulley, pulley hub section. This is the rim section. First enter the molten metal into the hub. From hub, it force towards, means outward to the rim by the, this is the rim, by the centrifugal forces. It may be noted that several mold, this is a mold, this is a mold, this is a mold, several mold can be cast at one times. In case a central bore is required in the casting, a die sand core, this is the core, a die sand core is centrally placed. Okay. Now, what is the application of semi-centrifugal casting? Okay. Number one, pulley, for making pulley, sprocket wheels. Number two, gears. Number three, hollow propeller shaft. Okay. Number four, railway wheels. Okay. Now, what is centrifuging casting? This is the figure of mechanism of centrifuging casting. This is the front view. This is the top view. this is the molding box. This is vertical axis. The molding box rotate about this vertical axis. Here, this is the central spool where molten metal is pouring in this passage. This is the pouring basin. This is the this is the gate. This is gate. Here, number of symmetrical small casting are made at a time. From top view, it is clear. It is a casting. It is a casting, small casting. It is a small casting. In front view, this is figure of casting is, this is the casting. Here, this is the gate. This is the gate. This is the gate. This is central spool. Molten metal is pouring in this passage. Then through gate, metal is enter in this casting, in this mold cavity, Okay. Here, mold of small identical or nearly identical items are symmetrically arranged. Symmetrically arranged has a common pitch circle. This is common pitch circle, means has a common pitch circle. This is the common pitch circle. Arrange in a pitch circle with sufficient diameter. Okay. So, in centrifuging casting, in this process, a number of small mold cavity are made symmetrically around common central spool, and the metal is fed to the casting, to the mold cavity by radial gate. This is the radial gate. This is the radial gate. This is the radial gate. Through this radial gate, metal is enter into the mold cavity. Okay. In this case, the mold cavity are not rotate about their own axis. This mold cavity not rotate about their own axis. This mold cavity not rotate about their own axis, but the whole units is rotated about the vertical axis, whole unit, whole number of molds are rotate about the vertical. Now What is the
application of centrifuging casting? Number 1, bucket of cast iron. Number 2, dental casting, very interesting. Number 3, jewelry of cobalt chromium alloy. Okay. Now, what is the advantages of centrifugal casting? What is the advantage? Number 1, it is more economical than other method, than other conventional method. Number 2, obtain casting of better quality. Here we get better quality. Number 3, there is no need of a central core to make a pipe or tube. When we make a pipe or tube, there is not necessary using a core. Okay. Number 4, centrifugal casting may be used for mass production. In mass production, centrifugal casting is used. Number 5, any metal can be cast by this process. Any metal. Number 6, percentage of rejection is very low. Okay. Number 7, the need of separate gate and riser is totally eliminated. Okay, separate gate. Okay. Now, what is disadvantages of centrifugal casting? Okay. Number 1, centrifugal casting is limited, have some obstruction, have some limitation to definite size and shape, as all casting cannot be made centrifugally. Centrifugal casting is limited to definite size, निर्दिष्ट size and shape, mainly symmetrical size, as all casting cannot be made centrifugally. Number 2 disadvantage, equipment cost is high. Okay, or initial investment, initial cost is very high. Number 3, skilled workers are required for operation and maintenance. Okay, it is clear, my student? Okay, thank you.